Today, we're gonna show you a complete beginner's guide on using the MacBook computer. We've designed this video so you can use either MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or even iMac and Mac Mini desktop computers. Now, I'm gonna start this video off by walking you through the initial setup process. So first thing we need to do is to declare where we are setting up our Mac. Next, we are asked to get connected to Wi-Fi. Wants to indicate that Apple collecting some personal information about us. Now we're gonna click continue, where you can transfer your data from a Windows PC or other Mac computer. So if you are coming from older computer and you want to have your data back on the new Mac, then you can just choose transfer it directly from different computer. If you've been using a Windows computer, you can still transfer your data. You just need to select option number 2. Or if you're setting up completely new computer, completely new MacBook, and you're new to Apple ecosystem, you can just click don't transfer any information now. In the next step, computer asks you to put your Apple ID. This is very important step because with Apple ID, you've got access to your iCloud, App Store, and other Apple devices. If you don't have your Apple ID yet, you can create it from this screen. Just follow the instructions and it will guide you through. And the next screen asks you to create a computer account. This might be your name, your nickname, and you need to create a password as well. Not like in Windows computer, you could omit this step, but in Apple, you have to create a password to your computer. I'm gonna just put user and user as a password because this computer is not gonna be used by anyone. Once you've completed the initial setup, you'll be taken to the macOS desktop. Take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the interface, including the dock, menu bar, and desktop icons. You can also open the Finder to browse your files and folders. One of the great things about Mac is the ability to customize your settings to suit your preferences. You can adjust everything from the display resolution to the trackpad sensitivity in the System Preferences app. Take some time to explore the different settings and make any adjustment that you like. The next step in getting started with your MacBook is installing the apps. You can download and install apps from the Mac App Store or directly from the developer's website. Some must-have apps for any new Mac include Google Chrome, Microsoft Office or iWork for productivity, and Spotify or Apple Music for streaming music. If you ever need help with your MacBook, there are several resources available to you. Apple offers support through its website, and you can also schedule an appointment at an Apple store for in-person support. There are also many online communities and forums where you can ask for help from other Mac users. That's it for our tutorial in getting started with your MacBook. We hope you find this video helpful and feel free to have any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.